Hello! Today we're going to be looking at embedding videos using videos on demand from our library. So start on the main page of your course and turn editing on. And you can either edit an existing page or you can make a new one. I'm going to make a new one. Title your page and go down to content and click into the text box. Then click this little page with the video icon. Make sure you have the video tab selected and then click Browse Repositories. Select On Demand from the file picker and then search for the keyword or the title of the video you're looking for. A list should pop up and then you can scroll down until you see the episode or video that you want. Click the EM, which is Embed, and then select the size. Select the size of the video you want to put in. I'm going to embed a large size, and then select this file, insert media, and there's your video. And you can type anything you want before or after it, and then click Save and Display. And there you go.